So this is my 1,000 subscribers speech. I'd like to thank everyone for coming out this fine evening for this award. And first off, before we get into this, I would like to thank my video editor, which is myself. I'd like to thank my motivational personal advisor, which is myself. I'd like to thank the writers, also myself, me and I. I'd like to thank my biggest fan, which is also myself. I'd like to thank everyone that supported me, which was mostly, you guessed it. And thank you for this award. And yeah. Alright, what's going on, guys? I don't know what the fuck that intro was, but I'm pretty gassed. I am pretty gassed. Obviously, 1,000 subscribers. Hit the fucking milestone, finally. So yeah, this video is sort of like a thank you video for, obviously, you know, everyone that's watching my videos, whatever. And yeah, just thank you for 1,000 subscribers. This video is going to be a little bit raw, like, you know, this is just myself. Obviously, I haven't done a sort of face reveal in a relatively long time, but fuck it, bruv. Obviously, you got me in the back. That is one of my first ever videos. Obviously, you know, the scenery is a bit different now, but, you know. So how I'm sort of going to break down this video is the first section is going to be like a breakdown of like me saying thank you, me talking about like the journey from 0 to 1,000 subscribers, you know, the ups and downs, whatever. And then the second part is going to be a giveaway. Obviously, you know, I have to give back in that. And then the last section of the video is going to be like what is next for this channel, because I've got like a few things that I want to do for this channel. And yeah. All right, so before we start this video, yeah, can we just appreciate the drip, like, yeah. So yeah, thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I'm not even joking, I'm fucking gassed with this, like fully gassed. Obviously it's been about, I want to say like a year and a half, maybe 2 years since I made the channel. Obviously I've like had like a few breaks in between. The reason for the breaks is obviously, you know, I wasn't really in the mood to make YouTube because like I spent like 6 months just grinding it, like uploading every single week or whatever, and like subscribers and the views wouldn't increase, and like it was just a long thing, I can't even lie. But yeah, like I do appreciate a lot of you that fuck with my videos, like on a deep level, like I actually do. Like I can't even lie, like I do fuck with you that like appreciate like my videos, and like I can't even lie, like there was bare times where I wanted to quit, and then like I'd upload a video like my last video or whatever, and then like bare people would like comment saying, oh, like sick content, like your actual like videos are actually sick. And yeah, like sort of uplifted me a bit. Alright, cool. So let's talk about the journeys from 0 to 100 subscribers, yeah, and then we'll keep going up until we get 1,000, yeah. So 0 to 100, fuck me, bruv, that was difficult, yeah. I'm not even joking, like, alright, I can't even lie, like, my strategy for this was sort of like all over the place, but I thought I was doing something sick. So, obviously, I was uploading, like, every single week. It just wasn't hitting, like, it just wasn't. I was putting in, like, 6 hours, like, per video, obviously writing it, editing it, recording it, all of that stuff, yeah, it just wasn't getting any views. I was, like, sick, mate. And then, like, I'd start, like, going on, like, applications, like, Depop, and, like, messaging people, like, telling them to subscribe to my channel. Ended up getting blocked off of Depop and various other websites, so that was sick, mate. What else? Also, like at my work, like people would come in wearing like Supreme and all that. Obviously, I'd tell them to fucking subscribe to my channel. Even like when like a girl used to come over or whatever, like I'd be like, so like what's your favorite clothing brand? Oh, Chanel. Oh, you like Chanel? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do that. Yeah, but yeah, like I can't even lie, bruv, like 0 to 100 subs is so difficult. Like I wouldn't even wish it on my worst enemy. Like it actually is a graft. Yeah, I'd say about 20 to 30 subscribers was people that I actually knew. Another 50 was through Depop when I used to do that. Yeah, so if you're watching this from Depop, you are an OG, bruv, you are OG. And yeah, like the other like 20 or so is just from bits and bobs, let's say. Yeah, and then, okay, cool, so 100 to 500 subscribers. This was the grind and a half, I'm not even joking. Like, I was smashing out like 2 videos a week. Like, I think I was still doing the Depop thing, but like, it wasn't on that scale. Also, Instagram, like, I used to go on like Supreme and Palace's like comment sections, like every time they used to post. Like, I used to like message the people that used to comment and then like try and get them to like sub, but like my success rate wasn't too high. Like, I'd say out of every 10 messages, one probably used to subscribe. It wasn't really that high, but you know, you got to do what you got to do, I suppose. But yeah, mostly it was just uploading videos and just, you know, just trying to like work out the YouTube like algorithm, like your search engine, whatever it's called, the SEO or something. And also I used to go on like big channels that like talked about clothing, and I used to go in their comment section and sort of like, you know, steal their subs, whatever, don't care. So from 500 subs to 1,000 subs, this was basically my Nike Tech Fleece video. I uploaded it the first week. It got like, I think maybe like 1,000 views. I was like, shit, bruv, shit. And then like now it's on like 80,000 views, I think. So yeah, I am very gassed with that. When it hits like 100k views, very gassed with that. So yeah, that sort of took me to 1,000. Also, another one was the Air Force video, what your Air Forces say about you. Currently it's on like 60,000 views or something. So yeah, very gassed with that. I uploaded that like 8 days ago, so I'm very fucking gassed with that. So I've got this thing, I'm just like trying to read off of it. Talk about the highs and lows. Yeah, like obviously the highs was probably the Nike Tech Fleece video. What else? Yeah, what your favourite clothing brand says about you. I do like them videos. I do enjoy making them videos, I can't lie, just roasting people for their favourite clothing brand. Also, top 5 UK streetwear brands of all time. That was my first like video to reach over 1,000 subs. No, views, sorry. Like, I'm not even joking, like, there's been bare times where I wanted to quit, and then like people would comment on my video saying like, this is such a sick video, you're so like refreshing, you're not like any other content creators. So yeah, I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna keep going with this. This isn't my main source of, not even income, but this isn't my main plan to just have a YouTube channel. I do want to like broaden the horizon, let's say. I'll talk about that later on, but yeah, like you lot, like truly you lot kept me going on this YouTube grind. Yeah, and just from the bottom of my heart, I do thank you a lot. And yeah, so that will probably bring us to the giveaway, to just say thank you for you lot. I'm only going to give away one thing, so I do apologize, but yeah. Okay, so the giveaway is this Supreme Ramelzy tee. Yeah. Obviously I'll put a photo of it just so you can get like a good thing. So yeah, it's a medium. Alright, cool. So how the giveaway is going to work is, I want people that want to enter the giveaway to like say something funny in the comment section, or say a joke. It could be about me, it could be about fucking Boris Johnson, it could be about whoever, yeah, like literally. Yeah, and whoever has the funniest joke will win the giveaway, this Ramelzy tee. But with that being said, it is sort of UK only. I don't want to have to deal with the hassle with shipping over to America. So UK only, but if you are from the US or other places, you know, you can still comment, and yeah, I will give you a shout out in the next video. And yeah, that's basically it. Okay, cool. So where is the channel going to go now? Obviously, I want to start turning this into like some sort of community base / like business. Like obviously, I want like a lot of people involved in this, as in like the fans sort of interact with them a little bit more. Probably also like do like partner with other like YouTubers, like discuss about type of clothing, do like videos with them. I feel like that would be a good way to, you know, branch out into different avenues, you know, sort of build up my networking. I hate that word, but yeah, like also sort of like treating this more as like a business as well. Like I don't want to like stray away from like my fundamental shit, like obviously like swearing, you know, saying like funny jokes, like I want to keep all of that. Obviously if I have to tone it down, I have to tone it down, like whatever. And also I want to start doing like YouTube shorts and stuff. The only reason I want to do it is because I heard that it's a good way to get a lot of subs. So I might just do that for like a brief a brief moment, get like a load of more subs in, and then like, you know, just try and do it like that. Also I want to do like more posts, so I want to do like voting like posts you see on YouTube, just to get some more interactions with people, etc. I feel like that would be also a good idea. Also sponsors, so with the sponsors, yeah, I don't want to do like normal sponsors. I don't want to do like fucking and like how do I say this, like NordVPN, Surfshark, or like Skillshare, like it don't really cooperate with like my sort of YouTube channel. Like who wants to learn a skill? I'm here to look at Supreme's dumbest like accessories, like what? Yeah, so I do want sponsors, but like if anything, I would like to like approach brands and like be like, yo, I will sponsor you, like clothing brands obviously. Like I'll mention you in my video, I'll talk about you in my video, just give me some money, and then yeah, like just go from there really. Also I want to like so I've been thinking about this as well, so I want to do like a new series. I've got a lot of series ideas as well, so I want to do like, obviously, does so and so have drip, like Ed Sheeran, other like celebrities have drip. Go through their drip and like let's see if they have drip. Also I want to bring back verses, but I'm not even joking, like them sort of videos are very long to make, like yeah, long to make. But like also I want to do like so say like I approach a brand and I'm like, I will make one video of your like brand, giving like a brand review and sort of putting you lot onto like different sort of brands. So like obviously I'd go over their websites, I go over their clothing. If they've got a store, I'll go to their store and like, you know, just do a few bits and bobs like that and like give it my ratings. And obviously it's a good way to discover underground brands and, you know, sort of help brands in the meantime as well. Also I want to do like video requests as well, so like you can like comment down in the section what videos you want to see and I'll make them videos. Obviously I do this by myself, so it is very long, like I can't even lie to you. Like obviously I've got to write it, I've got to edit it, I've got to, you know, make the thumbnails. Like I do this all myself in it, so it's very long and time consuming. But once I get to a certain level where I can hire an editor, because I'm not even joking, editing is the longest thing known to mankind. Like you have no idea. But yeah, sponsored videos is sort of what I want to do. I know it's sort of like selling out, but it's one of them ones where I want to bring value to, you know, my subscribers, instead of, you know, subscribe to Surfshark or, you know, NordVPN. Like, you know, I know majority of you do not care about that, because I don't care about that. And also this is the last one that I want to do, and I am going to do this, like I'm not even joking. Like there is one other thing that I want to, like the whole reason why I made this YouTube channel is for one sole purpose, if that makes sense. It's sort of shifted now, but I still have this in mind, but I'm not going to tell you about that, but I am going to tell you about this. So yeah, so basically I want to make my own like website. Like it's sort of like merchandise, but I don't like the word merchandise. Like it just reminds me of like Logan Paul and like all of them, like even like KSI, like making their own merch. And you know, the whole reason of making a YouTube is to like promote their merch. Like yeah, I do not rate that. Like I do not, like obviously it's a good way to make money or whatever, but like I want to actually like I want to be actually like involved in like the design process and like do like certain things. Like I'm not even joking, yeah, like when it comes to designs and like stuff like you know, art and stuff, like I'm very into that, like I can't even lie. So I do want to do that. And there's this one thing that I do want to like make. It's called a kimono. I'll put some pictures on it right now. But obviously I want to do like my own sort of like designs and sort of stuff. I feel like that would be like a sick sort of thing. Like it's just like to lounge about, like say if you like spend a lot of days like inside playing PlayStation or like you're on your computer or whatever, like it's just a nice breathable bit of like kit, you know. So yeah, that's what I want to do. So if you feel like there is anything that like you want to see me do, please tell me about it. I will definitely do that. And yeah, I think that is it. Like I said again, I do appreciate you for getting me to 1,000 subs. Like I'm fucking gassed, fam. I'm actually so gassed. So yeah, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, a comment, and also subscribe. And until next time, I'm out.
Yeah! That was legitness. Yeah, it was, huh?